shall follow us all the days of our life, and we shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever and ever. Amen. Let's do it one more time. Surely, goodness and mercy shall follow us all the days of our life. We shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever and ever. Amen. Happy to be here. Please put your hands together for yourself. If you're happy to be here, thank you. Thank you so very much. Ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the both family, the family of the bride and the family of the groom, and the amazing, beautiful couples themselves, I welcome you all to this wonderful trad wedding between Naza and Henry. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are here and you are sure you are here and you are happy to celebrate with them, please put your hands together for them. Put your hands together. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, because I don't want to keep anybody waiting, until we get to where we are going. We have enough to eat, we have enough to drink. But before I go further, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dickson Okafo. I'm from Anambra State, Ojoto, Idemili local government. So I'm Mungwafo. I'm going to like my MC. Thank you. I will apologize for starting this late, ladies and gentlemen. But by the special grace of God, I'm a professional MC, and it's my honor to be in front of you all to host this wonderful trad wedding.